we are going to calculate the dimension formula for density. We know that density is given by mass by volume, and the general dimension for length is given by capital L, mass is given by capital M, and time is given by the capital T. So density is equal to mass by volume. So mass can be written as the m with bracket, and volume, and we know that volume is equal to length into breadth into the height. All are in no length, so L into L, so that is equal to L power 3. So I am just writing mass equal to m, volume equal to L cube. So if I bring that L cube to the top, so I am going to get m L power minus 3. That is the dimension formula for the density.
Subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for important updates.